with. I could tell by your smile you hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were
Hi guys! Welcome back to Jess and Tori. Today, Nana and I going for shopping and Halloween. Hey, kon kan lau hu lo kang chao lo kin an lau harvest vek to vai mim ho reng reng khamo an lau lap vek to ni chu. So an so ta po su na lo om matang po. There's more right there.
This has not been
Oh, hey
harvested.
chu alai ala ka hun to. It's time to take it though, right?
Yep, it's time to harvest.
Yeah, it's time to harvest.
Yep.
Hey, rau vek to ti khanan la don chau ni chu rau khan hak vek phot ke ni anga Mizoram lampang anga I enge I ala shin lai la ang kha an nei ve lo mo hak phot chi ni chuan nei thong ama se an la vek ngai lo ni chu mo chuan he lampang hi kha bekang ho kha ni ta he kan kar at chen sal tu the roads
Yeah, this road's kind of
I know
twisty.
this road is not good. No, bekang vekania mo ito here.
They're not really purple, but they look purple.
Oh, they look purple, yeah. But I think
But
when I
they're
look
big.
closer, they are like a purple. Some of them.
Yep.
Tam khop may kon feel song po zau le don to winter le don to vur mo mashing to ka he a brown color vek to ni mo raw to ni chu
Dead.
dead. Okay, mani chau hit hello gan ne. We are the only one who is not dead in here among all this area. Chuanin kan shop na te kan lo mu don chau ne. Oh, chuanin kan mu thei me long chu kan pia me an lak to kha chu so kan mu thei le fe kan ni chu mo. Ao sang le me motor atang hian lang sang lo me me ma se sang khop me ka chuak khal to kai po he an lo la tha vek to ni hi mo. Alo niam vek to in te po mu thei ni so la in te po so. Yeah, I did not came out for a while, so I didn't realize when it's down.
Yep. You'll see some fields down here in just a few minutes.
Hey, di hian liazel ni. Lai kong hi achavak lo na gangkal chin na chan to shortcut niya. It's kind of shortcut, right? It takes you faster.
Yeah, it's a different country road.
Country road. Hey, mi pon shortcut chun zong ve na sa khop me. An vai me mi a shing to reng lo ni mo. A ro effect ton chu. Mi tractor hianin heng hau ti zong he ti pung thin ni chu mo a ma mi shing khan vakat lo ta mo lai mi hian chan ta hian vai mi ho kha an nen lo thin e that's na karom hu chao chao kha consiler an tia e to pan lan chung kat vek ni chu e a kung nen ka ti na cha kha an pat ta han an va boi pui le wi ka le thiam vak lo an lo ti tla le ti me ang hei a vai mim chau la tur khan ti le ni chu shan khanin machine na Mizoram kan han ke via vai mim la hun kan tiang kha vai mim la hun kan tiang kha ani ve vak lo ni chu mo hela ma chuanin muleng oh that's big.
Those are buzzards.
And they have in the sky too kan han chu
Those are seagulls up there.
seagull uyan thok loi men tam lut to he wow plenty avanal via very beautiful nana right.
Yes, seagulls are pretty.
Thok na sa siya.
Not when they poop, though.
October ni som thuma hian Halloween mo an lom thina ni chu ta hianin Halloween an lom chan tak hi chu a main reason chu e no hemi an khai ve an harvest hun right kami an harvest kan ti khan in che thiam vekin garinga harvest kan ti chuan Mizoram a hei bu kan lak hun te vai mim kan lak hun ang tiang mo Mizo trong upadami ka she cha lawa soidan tur kami kan seng hun bu seng hun ang ve khang tiang man hun kha na sha chuan ya soidan tur ti tak kha comment sign lo soidon ya khang bang han an ti ta chuanin in what else last harvest and
Yeah, it's the end of harvest, yes, and then
for scary
so, yes, so it's October, and then for Halloween they do ghosts, goblins, and witches.
did they do to just for fun or
Yeah, you can take some pictures at Walmart of some of the costumes.
wait
They
what
dress up and they go collect candy.
I wanna dress up too. I wanna do the costume too. So we do costume.
I'm not, you can. Ashley does sometimes.
Kan en po tang bazara kan enang mo.
I used to dress up when we're
Do you
gonna
still have
dress
any
in this-
costume?
No, I made all of mine.
Kita hindi to ni Omas wato nang daw tibok siya mo. Ang gua bengi ya mas cu. Okay, let me pull the car. Mom, this one also related to Halloween, right?
Yes, those are called scarecrows.
Oh. Those are,
Those are bamboo torches.
I
for
was
camping.
playing
You light
yesterday
'em.
in your garage. I said this four must be orange plug.
No, did you find somebody? They're bamboo torches. You put them in your yard to light your
Ah,
yard up at
fire,
night.
like a fire. We have to solve it.
Did you want to go down and find out about the eyelashes?
Yeah.
Okay,
I'll see you. I'll call you. Karuman ba na inalhum to? Fe. Eyelash. Katidwa. Panzot. Look. The floss. Eyelash katidwa, no? Lane hong lau do 11 to 7 p.m. Kalau ha daw nga ni mo. Okay na. Costume niya. Oh my god. That's so funny. Uy, kan pam so camera me na chatur niya he. Princess daw te oma. Di shang shang oma ni chu mo. Ma se wow, that's sassy.
fake fingernails
Yeah.
for Halloween. Those are Halloween costumes.
No pang hao tan big. So $3.
What they do for Halloween.
Where is all the Halloween stuff? It's all empty.
Yeah. Oh, like people go.
Mom, what's this?
Those are Halloween. Those are Rice Krispie bars.
Oh.
They're made out of Rice Krispies.
Yeah, I think I tried like that back in my home, but I don't know how it tastes here. Oh my god, Mom.
You can lose them all.
Oh, alaw rock. Vek mo, hey, Halloween. Anlaw lazo, vek to mean. Hey, asparagus. Asparagus. Can you reach?
Yeah.
These are like a cucumber to pickle
Yep.
cucumber.
Those are like pickles. Yep. Cucumber.
Do you want a thick mushroom or?
Yeah, we'll get another mushroom. We go through a lot of mushrooms.
I know, right? Which one you want? Like this?
Yeah. Do you need any ginger? Any liquid cilantro?
What's that?
Italian herbs.
Oh,
Parsley,
I never
basil.
tried. But Mom, they're not dry stuff, right? Are they dry? What's that?
Fresh basil.
Oh, you want that?
No, I'm gonna buy basil. I don't want
Yeah.
fresh. Do you need any lemongrass, mint?
No.
Okay.
Well, we don't need to buy them yet.
Right now, I cannot think anything. I know, I'm just looking. Look, it's so big. Pumpkin. I don't know how people grow. Atak-tak ni Kim. Look. Right?
Yeah. All right.
Mango. Where is Nana? Sorry. Here. Remember this sour mango? Are you taking two?
Yeah, I need ground chicken.
Ground chicken? Oh, there were three. Yeah. Hey, he can pizza. Siam na chin pani.
Now we need to go get corned beef.
Kal saklo tok sa umlok. Look, my trolley no rumbok ni. Ka trolley lai kal chadu lo. Big one?
I want the big ones, so I'm going to make shish kebabs tonight.
Oh, shish kebabs. Shish kebabs.
And then that's for your stuff.
Yeah. Tên này hun na mi tor te ka han vel mo nal hlom khop me khum hinal ka timber ta ni chu khum house song sa khum ani ta mo chan hen hi car seat le cha e ni lo song sa chu du chang car a po da thia du chuanin a khai thei bok ani mo chan hen hi chu he an trolley ang ve lo te mut na ang khan ta sel ro khop me kanu ka hak lo ka thil danga ba lei chung ei turi tam thei siam hi va sial via tera o an nor velila sial don to hoi kanu hi oma he poi no te khum thau ni he khum mo no te khum thau this one is cute vanal via pink le na second me don lo in lo put me oh swear hing te ko na top ta Ê nà lên tivi thôi em. Nà top. Mom. Ay, but Nana. Maybe we should take picture, Mom.
Okay. I can get some flowers in it too.
Pumpkin.
Yeah, I need to go get a cart. Usually they had carts. Oh, there's a cart.
Pakati, two for $7, Mom. This one. Maybe they're older. My tamlo to kanya hey. I pakati $1 ko ang anita mase hemi hi lui daw to ni me then lo sela pa ni hi $1 sari na lei thai ni chumo hela mi poi sel te kin so lui daw to hon chu tam kho me a mai hi mak big to bin tiem ter tuarin so the poso chu sang chu ma so lai mi pe chu dang dai top so lung tung ang daw I saw something look like a rock. Mom, inside they have looks like a rock and all, like different kind of pumpkin.
Yeah.
Wait, let me.
Couple whites, but I want to get some
Oh
plants.
yeah.
I don't need to go that way.
Yes, nice flower, right?
Yeah, these are mums.
They're beautiful. Oh, is that the?
Look at
Oh,
this
that's
one.
beautiful. Oh, the chili?
Isn't that cute?
Is it the real chili? Oh my God, do you think it's spicy?
I don't know.
Yeah. I don't
Find
think.
out.
Yeah, but they're so little. Oh, you got the white one. Oh, it's beautiful. Where? For our backyard
For
or
our
you?
front yard.
Wow, it's beautiful. And nga ako may these are what? $12? They
Two.
use- No, that's
Those are
not true.
$2.99.
Must be 12. There is 12 price
Yeah,
here.
12.
$12 ni mom. And then na lam ko may ti sang sang he eng nal tuar te chan chen chu he. Ui no am top lim top.
I think these ones are 12.
Really?
Yeah,
Maybe
those-
they're more butches.
Yeah, they're
This one
bigger.
is smaller.
Those are bigger.
Mom, they have different color, purple one.
Yeah.
There. Is it mix or?
It's a little one. See?
Ah, smaller one.
Yeah. I don't want them that little.
I know, right? You
But I
got the
think
yellow.
these are $6.99.
Yeah, $6.99.
I don't know how much they are with that bucket, but I like the bucket on this one.
So you want to change it? The bucket looks nice. Are they gonna charge you bucket price?
I don't know.
I like that one better. Oh, you just change the bucket.
I just want the bucket, but I want that plant.
Purple ink la.
All right.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Okay. Let's go in. I gotta get dog treats.
Small pumpkin. No, gugutan popcorn. It reminds me of Gugu every time I see popcorn. What's that? Sausage? Oh, beef jerky. Hey, kabong sa lecheng ka. We never tried that one, right? Front style. Last time we tried was Iowa.
Yeah.
It's Iowa.
I don't see the one Bob normally gets.
Daddy and I we don't get from
No,
here.
it's
We
not.
get it from somewhere in the near the counter when we are about to pay. Oh, that's nice. Look at
Maybe I
that.
can find a better white one in here.
Yeah.
I like this. More white.
Oh. Is it the seed or for
No,
decoration?
that's Indian corn for
Decoration too.
decoration, but the bad thing is the squirrels.
That's nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
How
'cause-
much is that?
Oh, I don't know. It is
Football and
$19.
Harvest something.
I think it's 19.
But that's crazy. I don't know how it end up doing pumpkin. Oh, people ask me, hey, kan inami minzo ang kazote na ka dollar za le so bakwa za sum ni ang ani so oh in lau zot tu te kha big takin kan lau ti lang kan zo te na kha oh food sang sang zori chu mo wi nei tan chuan kho pelaya rural rule king anti.
They got our treats back.
Yeah, that's our treat. Scarlett itan hey treats kan lay ni mo.
Better.
I know.
Yeah, they're healthier for her too. Okay. I don't know.
Benga miyo. Ni wi ei chi. Then to. The boy to. Mom, what are these? Yuck. Pig ear? Uy, vok. Vok beng kalaw ko itar. Sakit to. Hey, he mi him bazaar na sal to Halloween till to vel lay yan mo. Hello. Are we looking for the beef jerky, Mom?
Yeah.
I think last time me and Daddy found it somewhere here. An hodon ta. Oh, hey, kicho. Sucker. Kan pang daw. Looks like my husband lollipop I'm eating. Hodon mo. It's time to go home, right, Nana?
Yes.
Lollipop ka don kan pang daw. I'm gonna eat lollipop. Looks like my husband. Sweet. Mom, in your car, do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, I have Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi. I have Wi-Fi.
Hey, lollipop ka namin, Leah. Thank you for buying though.
You're welcome.
Twitter pay, you know, pang eitan ka, I fix so no pang house so I eat for you guys, for all the kids who watch. Talk and bye bye. Oh, see you next video, okay? Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.